everything summer 2024. Welcome back to Fix Everything. Today we're going to tackle hazy headlights. These used to be made of glass many years ago. We went to plastic, and that was really dumb because now you have to rub these out every now and again. If you've seen a car that's older than 10 years, sometimes these are yellow. Sometimes you can't even see the bulb. The entire thing looks like it's coated in white, which means the plastic has deteriorated. But you don't have to throw the lens away. This one is a bit hazy. If we go over here to the other side, this one's even hazier still. So what I'm going to do today is buff these out. I've seen a lot of things online about using bug spray, WD-40, toothpaste. This method works for me. The first thing I'm going to do is get my buffer, which is something that looks like this. I got this at Harbor Freight. This was $19, and it's a 6-inch buffing pad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the buffing pad with just a liquid wax as you dry. This is a turtle wax, and then I'm going to put some rubbing compound. This is actually polishing compound from Turtle Wax. I am not sponsoring Turtle Wax, but this is what I happen to use, and it always works well. Also need a dry cloth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this first with the wax and dry. So let's put this up here. I'm not worried about the finish of the hood because it needs some help as it is. So I'm just going to spray this on here just to wet it down. You don't want a dry pad because that'll burn everything as it spins. And then I'm going to take some polishing compound, not too much, just going to put that on there a little bit, just a couple of blobs here and there, just like that. I'm just going to rub it around a little bit, just kind of spread it out a little bit. And then I'm going to put it up to medium speed. There's a dial on this one. It's 1 through 10. I'm going to put it at around 5. And just move it around. Keep it moving. I'm pressing down pretty good as this thing is spinning, so you definitely want that rubbing compound to work into the plastic. Don't ever let this sit for too long in one space, but just keep it moving. Make sure that this is wet, make sure your surface is still wet, otherwise you'll tend to burn plastic and then you've got marks in there you can't take out. Okay, now I'm going to follow this up with Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. So I'm just going to wipe this first layer off. Doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm going to put some of that Meguiar's Ultimate Polish on there. I'm not changing out my buffing pad. Nothing special here. Just going to rub it in to the pad. And off we go. Let it dry a little bit, and then we wipe it down after it's dry. Wow, if it wasn't for that fog in there, this is like a liquid crystal diamond. Pick up the camera, let's see if you can see that. Take a look at this. This was hazy. Now it's crystal clear. There's the water vapor inside here. So somewhere in the back of this lens, there's a seam break car washes will do that after a while. So I did the other lens a couple of years ago. This one I will do again, and I'll take a blow dryer, take that bulb out, and dry it out with a blow dryer by putting the blow dryer in the back and letting the hot air go through there. Then I'll take it out and seal the seam. But for today, wow, see? You can do that real easy. Very, very cheap fix. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in to Fix Everything today. I hope this helped in some way. Please consider subscribing if you like the content. And please forward the link to someone else that you might think would enjoy the content. Really appreciate the support very much. Have a great day.